How to use sport mode on Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Watch this. Open the Samsung Health app. Scroll down and tap on Workout. Select your activity. Running, walking, swimming, cycling, strength training, etc. Tap on it to begin the workout. Your watch will track your heart rate, duration, calories, GPS route, if applicable, and more. During the workout, swipe up or down to view different stats: pace, distance, heart rate, etc. To end a workout, swipe right or press the back button. Tap Finish or pause and finish. Then, you'll see a summary of your workout. Also, you can customize sport mode settings. In Samsung Health, choose a workout and tap the settings before starting. There, you can choose audio guide, target setting, auto pause, and workout screen customization. To use auto detect for common workouts, go to Samsung Health, then Settings and Activities to detect. Enable auto detection for walking, running, swimming, and other. Your Watch 7 will automatically detect and log these when you start moving. And that's it. Subscribe for more helpful guides.